welcome to my channel. Today I have a brand new Stitch Fix, and today's Stitch Fix is 5 items, but everything can kind of be worn together, which I am going to show it to you as a complete outfit. And I know I'm wearing a hat, so I've already got the outfit on, but let me just give you a quick synopsis of Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. When you sign up, you get paired with a stylist. That stylist will style you with multiple items. You're allowed now, I think, upwards of 8 items. I usually stick closer to 5, to be honest, but you could pick anywhere, I think, from 5 to 8. It may be a little bit more. I'm not 100% sure, but I tend to like my 5 items. Also, once you are styled, you'll get charged a $20 styling fee. But if you use my link in the comments, you'll get that styling fee waived, and you'll also get $25 to shop your first box. And I'll also get $25 to shop. So it's a win-win. This outfit actually was curated because I was waiting for a fix, and they now have a bunch of awesome options. They have AI where they'll show you, and I'm gonna maybe include a picture, but they show a picture of you and you're all dressed up, and you can pick items that are in your AI generated photo. They have items like you can go in, you can pick from wish list, you can say add this item to fix. Well, I actually like 2 items, and I reached out through the chat and I got paired with a new stylist because she was who was on call when I asked this question. And I said, I like a pair of shoes and I like a pair of earrings, but I can only seem to add 1 item to my fix, not both. So she told me that if I were to go in, and she told me which item to add, I believe it was the earrings, and then they could add the shoes. It was one or the other, but she said, if you pick the one item and you tell me about the other, I'll do my best to get this item added as well. And then she picked a whole bunch of items for me to pick from. So that's what I did. And lo and behold, the earrings and the shoes are in this fix. And I'm so excited because I liked both. And the earrings, when I show you, I'll show you those first. Those were actually, I saw them on, I believe it's Heather. She got these earrings and I thought, wow, this is so cool. And they're from Kate Spade, and I love Kate Spade. So I have a bunch of earrings from Kate Spade. And I'm big into the Huggy earrings. That's like the style I really like. So these are kind of a Huggy style, but they're different and they're unique. And I was like, I kind of need those in my life. So I found them. They're added. I'm going to show you them today. And then there was a pair of ballet flats, and I literally don't own ballet flats at all, and I'm kind of deciding because I like this pair, but I've also been seeing some velvet pairs so out there that I'm kind of really liking. So I asked for these, but we're gonna see. I want you to tell me your thoughts. I don't know if I should keep these or I should go with the velvet, but that said, I want to come back and I want to discuss all the items, show you the full outfit. So let's get right into it because this is a fun one. Oh, and by the way, this is my own hat, and I kind of, when I styled the outfit, I threw the hat on. This is from FP Movement, Free People, and I thought it was kind of cute because I'm like, this is kind of how I would wear this outfit if I were to put it together. So that said, let's get right into the outfit. Like I said, I'm here, I have the outfit on. I have to throw my reading glasses on because I'm of reading glasses age. And I want to show you the earrings first, and then I'm going to show you the shoes. And then we'll get into every other item in this fix. So these are, I don't know if you can see the little pouch. They're by Kate Spade. And Let's see if it says it on the back. Let me get my paperwork. But these are so neat, and they're so different, and they're so unique that like I said, I couldn't resist. So these are the Kate Spade Interlock Huggies. They're in gold, and they're $68. So hang on, let's see if I can come closer. And yep, there we are. They are, I don't know if you can see it, but they're green on one side. And they're gold, sorry, on the other. And then, see if you can kind of see it. I'm going to try to come as close as I possibly can here. And I'm sorry that it's a little blurry. But like under the gold, there is like a CZ stud. I just thought these were adorable. The only thing I didn't do is, so these are my Kate Spade earrings. I didn't put them in. I'll try to put them in after. I'm going to keep them, so I will put them in and I'll show them to you. But I needed you to see these up close and personal, so that's why they're still on the card. But the other item that I asked for in this fix, and then I'll take one off and show it to you. It's by Madewell. It's the Greta Elastic Mary Jane. It's in the color brown, size 7, $98. So hang on a second. Let me see if I can get closer to you. So here it is. And I know that the camera might not be doing the color justice, but it's like a chocolate brown. And it literally is like, I called it a ballet slipper, but it is a Mary Jane. And it's just an elastic. Like, you don't have to buckle it. It just slides right on. And it's by Madewell. And it's probably dirty from my floor, so my dog is behind me. Sorry about that. But yeah, I mean, they're cute. I don't know. I've been dying to dip into this trend, so that's why I asked to see these in my fix. So, and they're leather, so they're like brown leather, but let me put it back on so I can show you the whole outfit. Okay, so now I'm gonna back up, and this sweatshirt was included, and there's tags from the jeans, so ignore the big tag. Let me see if I can put that maybe in the pocket. No, ignore it, there is a tag. So this sweatshirt, let me get my glasses back on so I can tell you the other items that I'm wearing. And if you missed what I'm saying, the card for the item shows up before this clip, and also everything's in the comments as well. So this is by Z Supply. It is the local Sunday sweatshirt, color navy, size small, and it's $78. And then underneath, literally, I'll lift this so you can see it, but it's literally just a simple plain button down white collared shirt. Nothing special, nothing, nothing outrageous, but it's by FOXCROFT. It's the June stretch button down shirt. It's in white, size 2, $109. And then on the bottom, and I will pan down so you can see the jeans better, but these are by PISTOLA. They're the Turner Super High Rise Barrel Jean. They're in the color indigo, size 4, $144. So that, I am wearing everything pretty much in this fix. Let me get a little closer so you can see the shirt literally, the sweatshirt literally says local. This is really cute. I mean, I get it. This is like the oversized. I actually have a favorite daughter sweatshirt in this color, but it has the hoodie. And that, like right now, I guess everything is very oversized. I think it's kind of boxy, but I get that this is the style. It just, in case it looks a little sloppy or big, this seems to be the style. But it's literally a plain navy sweatshirt with the word local on it. But this is like in right now from what I can tell you. Underneath, I don't know if you can see it, but like I said, it is literally just a plain button down. I didn't want to wear it by itself. I mean, I could have tucked it in with a belt with the jeans, but I just wanted you to see, You can use it for layering, or you could probably even wear it by itself. But this is it. Now, the jeans. The jeans, they fit pretty nicely. They have like the pork chop pockets on both sides. You can see they pretty much fit me. Working pockets in the back. I am going to pan down so you can just see the bottom, the jeans with the shoes. So let me do that. So like I said, you've seen the shoes up close and personal. These are barrel. I think they're cute, but I don't know if I need them, to be honest. I have a lot of jeans at this point, but yes, they are cute. This is a very cute style. Okay, I'm back. And like I said, I think this is a really fun try on. You've seen everything now. This is a quick one. Oh, I'm gonna put in one of those earrings just so you can see it. Just hang on. So as promised, here is the earring. I just put it in. I put the green on the outside, but you can actually put the gold on the outside too. Yeah, I just wanted you to see them. I mean, like I said, I'm wearing my earring on the other side, but I think they're really cute. Now, like as promised, let me go through all the pricing and let's wrap this baby up tonight. So you've seen everything in this fix. The stylist pick subtotal for all 5 items is $497. The buy 5 discount, 25% off, is $124.25 off. So the new order subtotal is $372.75, and I have a $20 credit. So, and shipping is free. So the new total would be $352.75. And I never read you my stylist note, but I told you this was a newer stylist. Her name was Courtney. She said, so happy to style this fix with the Madewell Jane Elastic Mary jeans you selected from your freestyle shop. And I'm so glad I was able to include the earrings for you. The flats will look effortless with the indigo Pistola super high-rise barrel jeans and the crisp Foxcroft stretch button down for an elevated casual look. On cozy days, layer the shirt with the Navy Z Supply Sunday sweatshirt you chose from the preview. The modern barrel silhouette balances the relaxed top nicely. How did the Pistola rise in Foxcroft fabric feel? What colors or pieces should I hunt for in your next fix? I can't wait to see what you think. So, like I said, you have now seen everything in this fix. I think this was actually a really good fix. I mean, I'm going to look back at the footage. I think this is cute, and yes, it would be a nice cozy, and possibly even my daughters, they sometimes borrow my sweatshirts. They might get use out of this, so I don't know. I'm gonna think about this. The button down, I actually don't have a white plain button down. I have linen. I have other colors, but I don't have this. But I don't know. Unless I keep all 5, I'm not sure I would keep for the price that's on that sheet. So it depends on what I'm keeping, to be quite honest with you. Again, I'm not 100%, my dog is walking back and forth to look out the window. I'm not 100% sold on the jeans, but I will look back at the footage. And last but not least, for the shoes, which I'm debating, as I said, do I want to keep these or do I want to dip into more of the velvet look for the upcoming holidays? You know, do I need multiple pairs of Mary jeans? To be honest, I don't know if I'd wear them enough for that. I like the style, but it's kind of like, is it a style that's going to be here now and then fade out after this year? Who knows? And the earrings, I really like the earrings. The earrings, I think, are definitely that's a keeper. So everything else I'm kind of debating, so to speak. But again, you've seen everything, so I'm curious to hear your feedback. I would love to hear what you think about the pieces in this fix. And for those who are returning subscribers, thank you so much for all your friendship and support. It always means the world to me. If you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say have a magical day and bye for now.